Okay, so acrylic pour. This is going to be a simple, quick one, hopefully. Just so that you can get an idea of how my workspace is organized. This rack sits on top of a, I want to say it's a 24 by 10 inverted canvas that is just an old piece that never got used for anything, but was overpainted a few times. And this metal rack that I got at Goodwill for $1, which is adjustable and fits perfectly. So I'm just going to use a small 6x6 gallery wrapped canvas, and I've got dioxazine purple, quinacridone magenta, cadmium yellow, medium hue, ultramarine, red orange, no I'm sorry, light orange. And then I'm going to do my mix, which is already in the cups, of 1 part Floetrol, 1 part distilled water to 1 part Elmer's glue all. Very important if you're going to make your own medium to use glue all. It is not going to give you the result if you try to use any other all-purpose glue, so Elmer's glue all is what I use personally. And just do the mix in thirds. Then add whatever, pigments of paint, whatever varying degrees you like. Make sure they're really well blended. Then you can just go straight Floetrol pour, or you can add silicone. Or you can do both. I'm going to do both for this one just because I want to. So before I start, this was last night. What looks white is actually silver. Did this one as well, which I thought was kind of cool because it looks like a Cocteau Twins album cover that I used to like. And then this, which is not completely dry, but also has that sort of 4AD 23 envelope Cocteau Twins vibe that I dig. So there's 2 more that I just did that I'm not going to pull and pick up because they're super wet and I don't want to do that. So this is going to be a gradient pour. By the way, press and seal wrap is awesome when you pre-mix colors because it keeps everything in order. So I'm going to do a gradient pour here. So I'm going to go down carefully. I'm setting these aside. Next color I want to do is a little ultramarine. A little bit of silicone, 1 drop. I think that too. I don't think that went down the side like I wanted it to. And I'm going to go magenta and yellow last. So some of the orange. And you see I'm pouring in layers. The bottom layer is going to be the predominant layer. There. I'm not going to do too much more paint because this is already going to be pretty heavily saturated. And lastly, a little yellow. Not crazy. I'm going to try and get that little bubble out first. There it goes. Pouring bubbles is no fun. Okay, now for the fun part. Now for the actual pouring. Now I like cutting down solo cups for this reason, because I can do this. Here we go. I'm going to go kind of fast on this one. Make a little Fibonacci sequence. That's kind of cool. Oh, there goes the orange. I think I'm going to stop there. No. Boom. Like that. So that's it. Ta-da!